Hello everyone, welcome in module 3 of chapter 1 Food. In our previous modules, we read about nutrition, mode of nutrition, photosynthesis, factors, how do plants obtain requirements, role of leaves in photosynthesis, how other food is synthesized, saprophytic mode of nutrition and parasitic mode of nutrition. In this module, we are going to learn about insectivorous, symbiotic and how are nutrients replenished in the soil. So let's start. Symbiotic nutrition. The organisms which live together, they are just like friends. They share shelter and food, and such type of relationship is called symbiotic relationship. A very good example of such symbiotic relationship is the leguminous plants such as pea, moong, beans and the rhizobium bacteria which resides in its roots. Rhizobium gets the food and it in turn it fixes the nitrogen for this plant which helps it to make the protein. Another example of such symbiotic relationship is alga and fungi which forms the lichen. Alga offer food prepared by the photosynthesis, while fungi share the shelter, water, and other nutrients with it. Now let's discuss about the insectivorous nutrition in detail. So the insectivorous plants such as Venus flytrap and pitcher plant. Pitcher plant has a long pitcher-like structure which is modified part of leaf. The apex of leaf form a lid. When an insect enters the pitcher, the lid closes and the insect gets entangled into the hair. It gets digested by digestive juices secreted in the pitcher. Plants absorb nutrients from the soil, so the nutrients in the soil decreases. Then farmers add manures and fertilizers to the soil to increase the nutrients in the soil. The bacterium called rhizobium, which lives in the root of leguminous plants like grams, peas, beans, etc., converts nitrogen from the air into soluble form in the soil and makes the soil rich in nitrogen. In return, the plant provides food and shelter to the bacteria. So they have a kind of symbiotic relationship. Now let's recap what we read today. Now we know the green plants which make their own food but depend on insects for nitrogenous food are called insectivorous. Some plants are totally parasitic whereas others may be partially parasitic. The two plants which live together as part of same plant and mutually help each other are called symbionts. They share a symbiotic mode of nutrition. Such relationship of mutually helping each other is called symbiosis. Nitrogen of soil can be replenished by using manure, fertilizers and by crop rotation method. That's all for today. Have a good day ahead.